Let's take a look at this one. Unique Specialty and Classics. 1972 Pontiac Ventura. Two-door sedan or post. Now, I want to point out, you're going to see some Chevy emblems on this vehicle and the 350 up on the front fender. It's titled as a 72 Pontiac Ventura. Obviously a tribute Chevrolet Nova look-alike. So I just want to put that out there so you're aware of it. Underneath the hood, 350 V8 powered. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 350 automatic transmission to be exact. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper. Bright work. You can see we do have a few little marks along some of the bright work on the hood. The grille, chrome, look good. Hood pins. Also nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, and when we pop the hood, let you hear it run, looks like it's got a newer booster, master cylinder. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of the car, check out the engine bay interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on US mag wheels. It also has four-wheel disc brakes, so we got disc brakes at all four corners. You can see the darker window tint in this rear window. When you look at the still pictures, I pictured it with the windows up, so you can see it does have a darker tint. Know your local and state laws on the percentage of tint you can run. Bucket seats. These are actually the Pro Car cloth seats up front. B&M shifter. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust in the rear. There's also two switches on the dash. This does have cutouts that you can open and close with those switches that are on the dash. And I'm going to show you how that works and how it sounds once we get around to the driver's side here, start it up, check out the engine bay. But first, look through all the still pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As you can see, walking around this car, it does have a nice finish to it. You're going to find an imperfection here and there. It's been driven. It's a car you can get in and go, have some fun. Maybe a little touch up here and there, a little spot, but overall paint does have a nice luster to it, nice shine. Every angle will be seen in the still pictures too. So take your time looking through those, zoom in on, take a peek. You'll be able to see the undersides of the doors, get some pictures of that. And again, underside of the car. Interior, free of rips, tears, holes that I've noticed. And you'll probably get a little bit better look at the back seat in the still pictures. And this is not any sort of fading. It's due to the light and how dark the windows are. Just to getting more light over there through that side window since it's down. But that's not two-tone or anything like that. It's a dark charcoal or basically pushing black interior. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. It does have decoded digital gauges. Did have the wipers work, stereo worked. Here's those cutouts. So I'm going to show you how to open and close those, what that does here in just a second. First of all, let's fire this up. Again, 350 paired with an automatic transmission. You can see it starts easily. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear this run quick too. Stereo down here is working real quick. Show you that. So that's good. Wipers also work. Cutouts are closed. So you get a nice rumble out of that 350, nothing over the top, nothing crazy. Let's go ahead and open them. Push up to open them. Okay, you got an idea how the exhaust works. I'm gonna go up to the front here. Let's pop this hood open, get those hood pins out. Take a look at the engine bay. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Underside of the hood, nice and clean. There it is, 350 V8. Again, I mentioned power brakes, and it's 4-wheel disc, and then there's also your master cylinder, booster. We have headers. It's an Edelbrock intake and carb, power steering. HEI ignition, and smooth running V8. Sounds good. So there you go, 1972 Pontiac Ventura, 2-door sedan or post, how it's titled, but you notice the Chevy emblem's more of a Nova tribute. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. In the description is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1972 Pontiac Ventura. This is the Pontiac that's a lot like a Chevy Nova. This is a great orange and black combo. It has a B&M shifter in it. Let's get her up to speed. Great. It is about 5 degrees today here in Minnesota, and as you can see, there's snow on the ground, but the roads are dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. This car is a good runner, strong acceleration. A lot of fun to drive. As you can see, we've got hood pins over here. We actually have dual exhaust cutouts, which are also lots of fun. It's a good handling car, steers really nice. Definitely one you want to check out on our website or in our showroom.